What's up guys, Bodgy here, and today I'm going to be looking for gems in the Smithsonian Rock and Gem Dig. You might be wondering, where can you find this product? So you can find it at Big W for about $15 if you love digging for gems. Okay, so let's open up this bad boy up. Sticky tape, almost weakness. Alright, so what you will use for the mining stuff are a chisel and a mallet. Oh. Okay. Now we've got safety goggles in case any dust goes in your eyes, which I really don't need. A pouch where you can put your gems in, a magnifying glass so you can look through, and a stent. You can put your gems on. Now I'm going to open up and going to have a dig to see what I can find. Approximately there is 11 gems you can find. So I usually get 10, but hopefully I get 11 this time. Bubble wrap, I love it. Do an ASMR at the end. Alright, so what I always love doing is I love aiming from the corners. Bashing it down. I work from the corners inside to the middle. And sometimes I just bash it from the middle and they get all the gems open up. So I'm going to continue working on it. Use that. I'll just use the box. Give it more. Alright. So you obviously won't find anything in the corners. Well, obviously. Bash that open. And no. Ow. Nothing so far. Now, should I just bang it in the middle? I'm not sure. Save time, I will. Ow. Alright, so I think I might have found my first gem right in the center where I was banging it. So I'm gonna try to open it up. Try and bang it open. Ow! Poor knuckle. Alright, so as you can see that little blue thing or grey thing, whatever colour it is? That is part of a rock or a gem. So I'm going to try to smash it open and see what I can get. And I'll see what it is when in the gallery to see what there is in there. Bang, open. Yep, it looks like something. Alright, so I've gotten the first one out. Here it is. That's really cool. Alright, so I'm putting the thing to the side. Alright, let's get back to my digging. So, I'm going to bottle full of dust. Oh, is that another one? No. No, wrong way. This is taking a long time. No. Really there. Right there. I'm going to try to do it. Nah, doesn't work. Oh, finally, I cracked it open. Are you kidding me? There's nothing in the middle. There usually is. Oh, look at that, another gem. Right here. See that little black spoke? That little thing is a gem. Alright, I'm going to start working on that and see what I find. Whoa. Okay, don't explode everywhere. Oh, sick. That is huge. Oh, look, another one. Alright, so that little brown thing or grey thing, whatever it is, that's also another gem. Now I'm just going to start working on the black one to get out. Oh, another one came out. How funny is that? While I was trying to get out the black one, a white one came out. Oh, there it goes. Got my gems there. I'm going to work for the black one now. Oh. Oh, no way. It's pretty huge. So at the end, watch till the end and you'll see what these are. All up and close. Oh, okay, got a little chunk out. Nah. Twist it this way. Oh, it's starting to crack there. Here it goes. Oh, it's got a bit of, what the hell? Fly, go away. It's got a bit of orange and red. That's pretty cool. Okay. What have I got to put these back? That's a really small one. Pretty small. Now in total I have 5 gems. I'll keep on working on this half and then I'll start to this one. Alright, so now I'm going to aim for the spot around where the dugout is, there, and see what weak spots I can find. No, don't think there is. I'm going to keep on working on this one, and let's see what I find. Yeah, I have to get rid of this box. This box isn't working. Might just have to use it back to the playing grass. Yeet! Alright. Oh, okay, I've cracked a lot. Oh, that one cracked. I doubt I'm gonna find any more gems in this, or minerals, or rocks. Alright, now I'll just dig it away, and look what I found. I knew I had no luck in the other one, so inside I've got this little one there, and there. That's pretty cool. I'll continue digging away and see what I find. Smash. Oh, sweet. Got the first two out. Oh, not another one. Alright, so look at these things that I dug out. 1 and 2. Oh, my shoe. Oh, that's my shoe. 1, 2, 3. I already found 3 again. Jeez. Wait. A second. There they are. So now I have a total of... I have 10 gems. And I think I might have 11 because I might have just found my last one. And hopefully I can see 12, which I doubt, because that's never happened to me before. Alright, so I have found all 11 gems. Next, grab yourself a paper towel and a water bowl or water cup, whatever you want, and then you're going to start simply wash them. So first one, put it in there. Alright, I'm going to put these other gems. Oh gosh. Oh, paper. Put in there. I'm going to give him a little scrub. And also you can wash your hands too. Because your hands are going to probably be like me. Alright, then this first one. Paper towel just to dry it off. Probably not dry at all. I think I might need another Scott towel. Maybe not. Alright, so the first one's done. Put it in there. Second one now. This goes in. Gosh, these are really wet gems. Let's do a bit more clay left or plaster, whatever it is. Hello, Mr. Pickles. Get your toes out. Not sure. Alright, so once all your gems are dry, I'm going to go a bit closer for this. You got your little pouch. Get out of your pebble. And a little surface. Then you can put them on here, and view them up close, which is really cool. I'm gonna spread them out. Then you put them in your pouch, and they're ready to keep. Alright, so if you're ever wondering how can you find what gems they are, you usually just open up the Smithsonian paper. There's instructions of how to do it. Here, instructions of how to gem mine it. And also, you can find out the gems, or the type of gems, on here. That little area there. Thank you Smithsonian for making this awesome product for kids like me and people who love gem mining. Alright, so sadly that wraps up my video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Tell everyone that you know to like and subscribe. Your pet, if you have one. And I'll give a shout out to everyone who likes this video in the next one. Peace!